Hello. Today I'm going to be unboxing the PS5 controller. It's the DualShock PS5 controller. Let's get a better shot of that. That's what it looks like. And I got this at Best Buy. Yeah. So I'm going to be unboxing it right now. Okay, I'm unboxing it now. Alrighty. So it comes in this white box right down here. So let's open it up. Ooh, look at that. There it is. The PS5 controller right there. It's really nice. All white, feels great. I like it a lot. It doesn't come with any cables though for it, but that we should be fine. So that's it right there, guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye.